We love being here in Britain. It's so different from our home in the Philippines. The buildings, the weather.
Rain, yowling.
Queens living here. So this week we wanted to sing a British song.
It's The Sound of the Underground by
Girls Aloud.
By Girls Aloud.
Week 2, very exciting.
We love this song, but this is Reinvention Week, so we need to make it different.
We've got an amazing idea for you this week. We want to do a mashup.
Oh, wow!
We've been given 2 options. It's Boom Clap or Clapping Song.
They all went to heaven in a little rowboat, clap bat.
But it's so hard to pick because both songs are so challenging.
Boom, clap, the sound of my heart, the beat goes on and on and on and on.
Why did you choose that song? I might blush a little bit. I might think it's super cute.
Hopefully we can make her proud.
We will not stop practicing.
We will work our butts off tonight. It's Thursday night and we still haven't decided what our mashup song will be. We need to be 100% sure about the notes. Okay, let's try it again. It's so tough to choose because the clapping song is more upbeat and the boom clap is
More slower.
We are so close to studio day, but at least we have Cheryl to help us.
It is Friday night. I've tried 2 songs. I'm now convinced we've chose the right one. I think we're gonna go for the clapping song. Are you okay with that? Honest to God is brilliant.
Thank you.
Fourth Impact.
I
Please welcome the X Factor judges and their acts. Chesterman and Sean Miley Moore.
There are 11 acts here, but only 9 of them are safe.
It's time for the result. 2 acts will be leaving the competition tonight, and here's how it's going to work. We're going to reveal which 8 acts are safe and which acts are in the bottom 3.
The act with the fewest votes will then leave the competition immediately. The 2 remaining acts will compete in the sing-off. Good luck, everyone.
And in no particular order, the first act safe and returning next week is... Fourth Impact! Congratulations, Fourth Impact.
Also through to next week's show is...